we're going to learn is how to do graphs. Our graph is going to basically do notebook pads sold on Tuesdays, and we're going to make a graph of 1 through 12, and the category is large, medium, and small. Our small notebook pad sold 8, so we look for 8, and we go to small, and color this in. And then 6 medium, so you go to 6, the medium, and 12 large. So we know by just looking at this graph, we know that large was sold more. Our mediums did not sell as well, they're at 6, and our small sold at 8. Also, what you can do is if you know the price of the small notebook pads is $4, sold 8. You want to multiply 8 times 4 to get your number, and then you do medium notebook pad at $6, and they sold 6, so you do 6 times 6, and then large notebook pad, and they sell at $10, and they sold 12 of those, so 10 times 12. So if you already know this is how much their cost and how much they sold, you can pretty much calculate how much you've made. So if you got 8 times 4 is what, Emily?
Can I watch Netflix?
Yes, what's 8 times 4 though?
Times.
You know your multiplications?
Yeah.
What is it?
Or I need to use a board.
Okay, use a board.
So you record it.
Thirty-two. And what is 6 times 6?
6 times 6. 12?
No. That's 6 times 2. Thirty-six. 36. And what's 10 times 12? 120, right? So if you want to know how much you've made, so if you want to know how much you've made all day for Tuesday, you would add 32 plus 36 plus 120. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 again. And then 100. So you've made $188 for Tuesday by selling all your pads. Also, what you can do with your graph is you can say, I have animals. So your graph would be animals. And what type of animals you have? You have turtle, snake, dog, cat. Okay?
It's all these animals that we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to make your graph out like this.
Cats, dogs, snakes, and turtle.
So now you want to know, how many do we have? Well, if you counted your turtles, how many turtles do
Do
you
you
have?
have to do like this for like
Oh, you can if you want to. But with this one, we're going sideways. So now we've got how many snakes and how many turtles?
one
Turtle,
and one snake.
1 snake,
2 dogs and 2 cats.
2 dogs, and 2 cats, and the rodent.
Really?
No, we won't do rodents. But basically, what we'll do is say, okay, how many we have? We have 1. So you go all the way up and 1. Snake, 1. 2 dogs, so you go to 2, color it in, and 2 cats, and color it in. Okay? So you know you've got 2 of each is dog and cat, and 1 of each is turtle and snake.
And then we got 2 rodents.
That's one of your bars. Now what if we only wanted to track 1 day, about a week worth of our sales? Here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now these are our sales of the week. So if we sold small, medium, and large pads again, and we know we sold 1 type of pad, small pads. But we want to know how many we sold each. So on Monday, we sold 6. Tuesday, we sold 8. Wednesday, we sold 10. Thursday, we sold 4. And Friday, we sold 9. So you want to graph your graphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you want to do a line graph. You do a dot here for 6, a dot here for 8, 10, 4, and 9. So the way you line graph it, you connect your dots, and you'll see that your sales rose during Wednesday, it peaked, and then it dropped on Thursday, and it rose back on Friday. So that would be one of your other graphs that you can do as well. If I have electricity bill. Electricity bill, you've got months. So you've got January, February,
How do you get back to the computer?
March, April, May. Hold on, Emily. So if you do those 5 months right here, you would say, okay, I've spent $129, and then February, our bill is $159. March, $260. April, it went down to $150, and May, it went back up to $175. So you can actually do a graph as well with just these prices. In January is $129, so 100, 120, 150, 200, 250. So you go to 129, so it's right here. So you put a mark there. I do this so that way I can be exact where my marks are. 159 would be right up here. Then March is 260, so it'd be off the chart. So it'd be over here. then 150, and then 175. So our monthly would look similar to this. So it's gradually gone up, and then it went back down. And you can do is graph this like that.